Alright, let's get real for a second, eh? So, you're seriously thinking about taking the plunge and starting a business in the Great White North Canada. Maybe you've got visions of opening a quirky coffee shop with a 90s boy band themed menu. Or perhaps you're dreaming up a self-shoveling driveway service to combat those brutal Canadian winters. Whatever your brilliant idea may be, you're absolutely ready to ditch that soul-crushing 9-to-5 grind and embrace the exhilarating, albeit slightly terrifying wild ride of entrepreneurship. But despite all the challenges, the dream is absolutely real and within your reach. You have a burning desire to build something amazing from the ground up, to make your own rules and call the shots, and to ultimately bet on yourself and your abilities. And the good news is, Canada is genuinely one of the best places in the world to make that entrepreneurial dream a reality. But remember, it's not just about having a cool or innovative idea. It's also about possessing the unwavering grit, determination, and bravery to see it through. So if you're ready to trade in those comfy slippers for a pair of boss-worthy boots and step into the arena, then you've definitely come to the right place. Over the course of this guide, we're going to break down the entire process of starting a business in Canada, taking it one hilarious and yes, sometimes slightly terrifying step at a time. The struggle is undeniably real, but trust me, that just makes the eventual taste of success all the sweeter and more rewarding. So, this guide is dedicated to all the dreamers, the hustlers, and the ambitious individuals who are ready to take that exhilarating leap of faith. Together, let's demystify the often confusing process, laugh in the face of the inevitable chaos, and get you firmly on the path to achieving that coveted CEO status you've been dreaming of. You've told everyone you're starting a business. The word is out. You've shared your exciting news with friends, family, and maybe even the world on social media. For a moment, you feel unstoppable, like you can conquer anything and achieve all your entrepreneurial dreams. That is, until you Google how to start a business in Canada. The initial excitement starts to fade as reality begins to sink in. Suddenly you get buried in a blizzard of acronyms and forms. It feels like you've opened Pandora's box of bureaucratic jargon. Suddenly you're overwhelmed by CRA, the Canada Revenue Agency, and the daunting prospect of dealing with taxes, GST, HST, which seems like a foreign language at this point, and business numbers that sound more important than your phone number, making you question if you're ready for this level of commitment. This is the "what did I get myself into" phase, the moment of truth. Every entrepreneur hits this wall. It's a universal experience, a rite of passage in the business world. Even the most successful ones started by staring at their screen, feeling just as lost and confused as you do right now, heart-pounding, wondering if it's too late to go back to their old job, where things were simpler and more predictable. The mountain of information looks impossible to climb, a daunting Everest of forms and regulations, and the fear of making a mistake is paralyzing, holding you back from taking the necessary steps forward. But this isn't a sign to quit. Don't let the initial overwhelm discourage you. It's proof you're taking this seriously, that you're committed to doing things the right way. It's the first big test of your journey, a trial by fire that every entrepreneur must face. Designed to weed out the uncommitted, the ones who aren't truly passionate about their vision. But you've got the fire, the passion, and the drive to make your business a success. You just need a map, a guide to navigate this complex landscape. The chaos is real, but it's manageable. It's not as insurmountable as it seems. Think of it like a massive Lego set. Thousands of pieces, seemingly impossible to assemble at first glance. But once you find the instructions and start following them step by step, it all clicks into place. The government actually made a guide for you, a comprehensive resource to help you navigate the process. You just need to know where to find it and how to use it. And that's what we're here to help you with. So, grab a comforting beverage, a cup of coffee, a soothing tea, whatever helps you relax and focus. And let's move forward, one step at a time, towards building your dream business. The scary part is almost over. You're on your way to clarity and confidence. You're not alone in this. There's a whole community of entrepreneurs ready to support you. The government helping you start a business? Sounds like a joke, right? But here's the truth. The Canadian government actually wants you to succeed. When your business thrives, you create jobs, boost the economy, and pay taxes that fund things we all use. So, they've built a digital roadmap for entrepreneurs, right on the official Government of Canada website. The Canada Business app and its web pages are your new best friends. It's a one-stop shop for info from all levels of government. Instead of hunting through a dozen sites, you get step-by-step guides, interactive tools, and checklists in plain English. It's designed for humans, not robots. Think of it as your super organized business partner who's already done the boring research. So, what's in this government toolkit? First, business planning guides and templates, your personal roadmap to success. Next, funding. A searchable database of grants, loans, and financing programs tailored to your industry and region. It's like a dating app for your bank account, matching you with the right financial opportunities. Then comes registration, permits, and licenses. The site breaks down the process, helps you choose your business structure, and walks you through getting your business number. There's even a tool that generates a personalized checklist of permits you'll need. Once you're up and running, there's info on taxes, hiring, labor laws, and even expanding internationally. The Canada Revenue Agency has small business guides to make taxes less scary. It's a support system that grows with you, from your first sale to your first million. All you have to do is use it. It's the gift that keeps on giving. Let's be honest, the scariest part of starting a business isn't the risk or the long hours, it's often the paperwork. The sheer volume of forms and regulations can feel incredibly daunting. It's a multi-headed dragon of forms and legal jargon, a beast that seems designed to intimidate even the most seasoned entrepreneur. And the fear of messing up is real. One wrong box ticked, one form filled incorrectly, and you worry about the consequences. But you don't have to fight it alone. There are resources available, people ready to help you navigate this complex landscape. The government's guides are your secret weapon. They are comprehensive, detailed, and designed to walk you through every step of the process. Break it down. Focus on one form at a time. Don't try to tackle everything at once. Starting with registering your business name, which is a crucial first step in establishing your brand, and getting your business number. This number is your key to unlocking various government programs and services. Think of each form as a quest in a video game. A challenge to be overcome, a puzzle to be solved. Complete one. Level up your confidence. Each completed form is a victory, a step closer to your dream. The guides tell you exactly what info you need, eliminating the guesswork and reducing the chances of errors. And explain each section in plain language. No more deciphering complicated legal terms. It's all presented in a clear and understandable way. It turns a terrifying monster into manageable tasks. Suddenly, the overwhelming becomes achievable. Mistakes happen. It's part of the learning process. And it's okay. If you need help, call the helpline. Don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Most people are there to help, not judge. They understand the challenges and are there to guide you. This isn't a final exam. There's no pass or fail, just progress. It's a test of patience and persistence. Keep going, even when it feels difficult. Celebrate every small victory. Acknowledge your accomplishments along the way. Each form submitted, each permit approved. These are milestones on your journey to success. Before you know it, you'll have a neat pile of official documents, a testament to your hard work and dedication, and a real business. Your dream will have become a reality. Don't let paperwork stop you. It's just a hurdle, not a roadblock. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Focus on moving forward, one step at a time. Tame the dragon one step at a time. You have the power to conquer this challenge. You've got this. Believe in yourself and your ability to succeed. Now for the fun part, ideas. Your business doesn't have to be the next Facebook. The best ones solve a niche problem or add a little joy. Canada's diversity is a playground for creativity. How about a professional apology service, a gourmet poutine truck, or custom winter gear? Think about everyday Canadian challenges, like mosquito-repellent landscaping or personalized snow sculptures. Combine your passions, a retro arcade bakery or a true crime boot camp. The more unique your idea, the less competition you'll have. Your weirdness is your superpower. Build something authentically you. Let your freak flag fly. Let's talk money. You'll need some to get your business off the ground, but you don't need rich parents or a secret gold stash. Canada has a diverse funding ecosystem, grants, loans, and more. The government's business site has a search tool for grants and financing, including programs for young entrepreneurs, women, indigenous people, and green tech. You'll need a solid business plan to apply, but the payoff can be huge. Beyond government, check out local credit unions and nonprofits like Futurepreneur Canada, which offers loans and mentorship. Don't underestimate starting small, bootstrapping with your own savings or early sales. Maybe you start on Etsy with a few products and reinvest profits as you grow. It's slower, but you keep full ownership and learn to be resourceful. Many big companies started this way, in a garage with hustle and a dream. There's no one right way to fund your business. Explore your options, be creative, and don't be afraid to ask for help. The money is out there. Go get it. You've got the idea, faced the fear, and found the resources. Now it's time to act. The gap between I want to start a business and I have a business is crossed by small, deliberate steps. The most important thing? Take one concrete action today. Head to the Canada.ca business section and start the registration process. Decide on your business structure. Sole proprietorship is simplest for most, and register for your business number. This 9-digit number is your official identity in Canadian business. Next, figure out your tax obligations. Register for GST, HST if you expect over $30,000 in sales. The CRA has guides to walk you through it. Don't wait for the perfect logo or website, just start. Open a new tab. Read the Starting a Business Guide. Download the business plan template and take one small step. Every successful business started with a single action. The resources and support are there. The only thing missing is you taking that first step. Don't let procrastination win. You've got this. That's it, the not-so-secret secret to starting a business in Canada. It's a wild, sometimes complicated journey, but you're ready. You have the passion, the idea, and now the map. Remember, every successful entrepreneur started where you are, full of doubt, excitement, and a little fear. They succeeded by being persistent, asking for help, and embracing the hustle. You're now part of that legacy. Your business, no matter how small or quirky, can make a difference. There will be tough days, but the pride of building something yourself is worth it. So take the leap. Register that name, get your business number, make your first sale. The world needs your unique magic, your poutine truck, apology service, or mosquito-repelling landscaping. Work hard, follow your dreams, and remember to pay your taxes. For more tips, subscribe to Live 4 Income. Now go make it happen, you magnificent boss.